Oh. Okay, so today we will take the train to Varanasi. It took us about 1 hour to get from our place where we live in New Delhi to here. But it doesn't cost much, about 500 rupee by taxi. Oh. So many people. As you can see, so much people. Cannot believe it. People are sleeping everywhere, lying everywhere. As you can see. Wow. Welcome to Indian.
नई दिल्ली चलकर गोरखपुर चौक को जाने वाली 12,057 जनशताब्दी एक्सप्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 7 होगी शहर 35 मिनट पर पानीपत और चंडीगढ़ होते हुए गोरखपुर चौक को जाने वाली 12,057 12057 गोरखपुर चौक जनशताब्दी एक्सप्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 10 से रवाना होगी 14:35 मिनट पर BSBSA in Applied AI and Data Science from IIT Jodhpur. Admissions open at Beggars to the University for the hour.
Hey.
गाड़ी संख्या 1252 न्यू दिल्ली न्यू जलपाईगुड़ी सुपरफास्ट एक्सप्रेस जिसके रवाना होने का
And our train to Varanasi is arriving. So this one we will take. And it will take about, how long? About 10 hours maybe to go. So we will be there. Very nice, thank you. And we will be there at about 11 in the night. So at every station you can buy some candy, some food if you want, water, there are some sandwiches, Maggi noodles, crisp, and ice cream they have as well. Oh, and Red Bull. Not very safe for her. So this is the end of the platform. As you can see, very clean place. Yes, they took care of everything here. And also what I have seen is everybody don't really know what a trash can is. They just throw everything on the ground. Also, when we came into the train station, we had to go through a security check. But here you can just enter the train station without the security check. So what is the point? Yeah. And you can take a bath here if you want. You can probably take a shit and a piss at the train station if you want. A little house. Yeah, so anyway, we will be boarding this train. It will take us about 10 hours, I think, to travel to Varanasi. And after that we will just go to the hotel, and we will stay in Varanasi for about 3 days, and I will show you around. Varanasi is very famous for all their temples. I think there's about 1,200 temples, the big ones. They have of course smaller ones, so it's in the 5,000 if you want to count them as well. So Varanasi is a very famous place for that. They have a lot of holy places. So we will go around and visit those places, and I hope you will follow us. चलो चलो Ja, med allting. Oh, here's the toilet. Oh, it's cool in here, air conditioned, and some nice seats as well. So this is the seats. So you can rest your head over here. Pretty nice. It feels very good as well. You have some headrest or armrest. You can change it, and you can press this button and you can leave it up or down. So very nice. So the toilet, because everybody shows how the toilet looks like, so I gotta do it as well. I'm on YouTube, right? So we have the sink here, press for water, get some water, we have some soap and some hand dryer, no window, sorry. We got a nice clean toilet. I hope it's just water. you got some toilet papers as well, and water for cleaning your bun. So not really anything special. You can throw your shit over there. It's everything. You have seen a toilet before, so it's the same.
mention divine intervention. Only in my crucial moments do they pay attention carefully. Shadows of my past welcome me again with a smile. But something deep within, something new, lets me emerge from my dream. I only have what's right in front of me.
इधर सही है रिमर से go Harry front
Är dina föräldrar då? Där! So, we have finally reached to Varanasi and we are here. And it's raining. Beautiful weather. But it's still hot. But yeah, it took us about 8 hours to get here. And it was a pretty nice ride. So we are looking for a taxi. We will go to our hotel. Right. Väldigt fint. It's like a monsoon outside. It's pouring with rain. But we managed to find a taxi and come to our hotel. So hopefully in the morning I will show you around and hopefully the rain has stopped so we can see Varanasi. Otherwise it will be very hard to go outside. Alright, take care. So, our room.
follow Wi-Fi we can connect the Wi-Fi also
Bra. And oh, nice toilet and a shower. Well, I think that's everything you need. Huh? So, in the breakfast there's some cereals. You can make your own tea. I have bread with butter and marmalade. And some fruit over there. Red puri. Some hot Indian soup. Everything is too spicy for me. Yes, that's everything. Good morning. We slept alright. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, so we will be taking a taxi and going around Varanasi today. So I hope you will enjoy.
I remember when calling you seemed so important, but is it worth it? That is to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please? Life's all about balance, and real love takes practice. We know accidents happen, but my love's on purpose. Reciprocate the feeling, find peace beneath the surface.
Du vill bara lägga det.
Där.
Oh yeah. So, first temple.
Matthews, jag tänker nästa.
Vadå?
So sadly you cannot film in many of these temples, so I can't really show you anything. So the only thing I can show you is how it looks outside, and hopefully maybe some temples you can film, but I will try. Can't tell you what I can see.
मंदिर आया वाला नहीं है।
बड़े वाला नहीं है।
Oh, they're building a Tivoli here.
इंडियन झूला।
Vi kan inte ha skorna här.
Okay.
ये वाले कितने में बन गए?
Vamos a ver todo lo que hay. Disimular, así el problema y la duda no nos ven pasar. El que se enoja, mi amor, pierde un turno y se baja en esta estación. Tenemos saldo deudor con el mundo ahí afuera. Hagamos algo mejor, queda claro. Estamos todos acá de paso. Yo me la banco porque sé que estoy con vos. Vamos a ver todo lo que hay. No te asustes, mi amor. Disfrutemos al palo de nuestra canción. Vamos a ver todo lo que hay. No te apures, mi amor. Despacito este bardo es mucho mejor. Es mucho mejor. Es mucho mejor.
Right now we are at a Buddhist temple, as I understood it as. Don't really know. I don't understand the guided tour really, but it's about Buddhism. So it's a holy place.
Har vi glömt i bilen? Vad är du sur på nu? Ja? Vad är du sur på? Snälla? Ursäkta mig.
So a Buddhist temple, a apparently it's a very holy place for Buddhists. My son is so angry. I think he is just bored and tired. The heat is making him a bit fussy. Ah, so you have to put off your shoes. And here is Buddha.
Om nu han berättar om att Oskar hade ramlat på staty, så högst upp på staty hade blivit sönder.
तो भैया दोनों सुनने के छाने आप
Din håger är ju den staty. Det hade ramlat Oskar på den. Där Roger. Det är ju rakt fram. Det är ju rakt fram, håger. Ja, den staty. Ser du där uppe? Eller du har glasögon?
हाँ बिजली गिर गया था ना
हाँ
24 आवर हिंदू लोग मानते हैं
अच्छा वो 24 आवर्स के हिसाब से है
जैन धर्म उसको 24 तीर्थंकरा मानते हैं
हाँ
और बहुत
Lord Ganesha.
Oh, very nice. Looks beautiful. It's like a silver.
Yes,
Silver.
थ्रेड सिल्वर थ्रेड
इसको पैर से चला रहे हैं, हाथ से बना रहे हैं और डिजाइन
This
का
one they are
ऊपर से स्पंज काट
तो
के
मेरे को
बनाया
निकला
जाता है।
है।
कार्ड में जो होल है वो डिजाइन का। अब हम पैर से चलाते हैं तो देखिए डिजाइन उठा रहा है और इस तरफ का उल्टा सीधा इसका नीचे रहता है और इसको थोड़ा टच करिए, थोड़ा टच करके देखिए रेशम को।
ये रेशम है प्योर
अरे देखिए टच करेंगे तो आपको सिल्क रेशम। आप भी इधर टच करिए तो इनका भी फोटो ले लीजिए इधर थोड़ा
मतलब
इधर, इधर थोड़ा।
हाँ मेरे फोबिल में देख
या बैठिए बैठिए ऐसे ऐसे इस पर हाथ रखिए
Ska du köra maskinen? Ska du köra maskinen?
इस पर ऐसे ऐसे उधर काटिए।
Så!
आप भी साड़ी बनाने लगे हो हैं? आप रखिए यहाँ यहाँ
Du kan lämna, du kan köra.
या, उधर उधर ताकिए।
Titta på pappa.
उधर ताकिए।
Titta mot pappa.
Hey. Hi.
तो ऐसे घर घर बनता है, ये लगाया गया कि लोग आए देखे कैसे बनाया जाता है डेमो से। और एक साड़ी बनाने में 5 दिन थी।
Reminiscing the good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. An M. Night Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please? Life's all about balance, and real love takes practice. You know accidents happen, but my love's on purpose. Reciprocate the feeling.
Matteus, akta dig från gräset.
Beneath the surface.
Man får inte gå där.
Everything's peachy.
Ja.
Everything's peachy. Split personality.
Ja.
Sometimes sour, sometimes sweet.
Vad hände?
And then I Shyamalan story called Everything's Peachy. Can we just skip straight to the plot twist, please?
भैया हम गलत चले गए पहले हमें उस साइड चले गए
Så är det Gagnes. Now we're going down to the Holy Gagnes.
अंकल ये कौन सा घाट है
So now we are down at the Varanasi site, and people tend to sell everything they have towards us. And you can, as you have seen, play with the kids here or go around with trains. But to be all honest, this wasn't what I expected. I thought this would be a calm place where you go to pray, but not where you are supposed to buy from everybody and give out money everywhere. It's like a Tivoli, but it's the Holy Gagnes beside us. It's a bit weird. So, is this a religious site or is this an amusement park for the kids to play? So, this is what I mean. Is this an amusement park or are people supposed to come here to pray at the Holy Gagnes? Det var inte det här jag trodde, eller? Good morning. So last time when I left off, we were at the hands, and after that we went back home to the hotel and just slept. It was nothing really more to do during that day. So now today we are going a little bit around Varanasi to see some of the other temples we missed, and the Ganges and the old Varanasi, so like the old town. So we are checking out at the hotel, and we will take the taxi again, and at about 3 o'clock we will take the train back to New Delhi. So hopefully I will show you around the other temples that we missed, but they won't let us film or take pictures, so there isn't really so much to show you, so to say, but I hope you will enjoy anyway.
Oj, det var nära. Han hade krockat med... Nästan hade krockat med...
Hey.
अपने लकड़ियां देख रहे हो? अपने ये लकड़ियां देख रहे हो? Det är local marknad.
Local market.
ऐसे वृंदावन की गली है सारी.
Har det någonsin slutat?
Och där, titta!
Oj. Oj.
Det låter som en hund!
Det var en hund. Åh, vi är framme. We are here. Okay, that was a bumpy ride, but we made it here, and I don't really know where we are. I'm just following my wife, but we are going to see a temple. So, all right, tag along. Oh, nej, my shoes. Oh. Thank you, Indian.
हमारे पास है बंदा भैया गाइड है बैग नहीं जाएगा मोबाइल नहीं जाएगा भैया
They always try to sell things at prayer sites and holy places. Finish? Turn the... If you give to one, everybody swords you. Everybody wants some. I'm just giving some food. So we visited the temple, but I was not able to film any of it. Sorry. We are not allowed to have mobile phones inside, so I wasn't able to film. But we went to Krishna and to Bhagita and gave some offerings. And Lord Shiva and Parma, yes. Any of those 3 million gods, yes. So now we are going down to the Ganges River, and you will see how it looks. All right. Hjälp mig hjärtat.
नहीं 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 अरे नहीं ना बस करो बस बस नहीं
Don't disturb him.
Yes, my friend.
Where from? Sherry?
Sweden.
Nice.
Thank you.
You can tell me Sherry.
Sure, no, it's okay. No problem. Thank you.
If you need, then tell me. I'm here.
Okay, thank you. No, it's okay. Thank you.
Where are you from?
Sweden.
Sweden. Singapore. Let's try. Here, side.
No.
1 minute, 1 minute.
मेरे पत्नी over there. Need to go.
Where? Where आदमी? Where?
Over there.
I am barber. Here.
Oh, okay.
Shaving,
There.
trim, also.
मेरे पत्नी. Han försöker raka av mig skägget.
आज ये मालिश वाला है.
Vänta! Det brukar vara lägre vatten här, så kan vi gå till andra घाट. Men eftersom vatten har stigit upp, och यहाँ से जल नहीं लाते हमारे यहाँ.
अच्छा नहीं ले.
Han Gurucci vill mig någonting. Han där uppe, Gurucci vill någonting. Hjärtat.
Mattias! Hej Mattias! Skräm inte mig så här!
Ah,
Vad är kepsen?
där borta. Mannen.
Vill du ha den?
Hjärtat. Hjärtat. Han vill någonting där borta.
Jag går igen. Kom, भस्म.
Du vill inte ha din keps längre? Ja.
ये मेरे पति हैं. नाम Simon. Du får blessing på alltid glad och väldigt.
Tack så mycket. Hans keps.
De är också utlänningar.
Ja, det kan man ju se. They do sell some beautiful stuff at least.
150 till honom.
जल्दी करिए भैया बंद हो जाएगा अभी माता जी आइए तो घर के दर्शन के लिए बंद हो जाएगा मेन चलिए
May I have your attention, please? Train number 1, 3, 3, 4, 5, Varanasi, Singaroli, Intercity Express from Varanasi to Singaroli is standing on platform number 5. Passengers are requested to take their respective seats. Thank you. कृपया ध्यान दीजिए गाड़ी संख्या 1, 3, 3, 4, 5 वाराणसी सिंगरौली इंटरसिटी एक्सप्रेस वाराणसी से चलकर सिंगरौली हो जाने वाली प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक थैंक यू सिंगरौली इंटरसिटी एक्सप्रेस वाराणसी से चलकर सिंगरौली हो जाने वाली प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 5.
So we're leaving Varanasi now, back to New Delhi. It has been a fun experience, but we are finally going back home. It's a bit, overwhelming to be traveling all the time, and it's so warm on the day, so you really want some AC, just like now. So I hope you have enjoyed. I have tried to show you a little bit different of Varanasi that maybe not every YouTuber show. So I wasn't really able